A cut above the rest. Compact, agile and ready to face any adventure head-on. Our range of Swiss Army knives have been established since 1897 and continue to be an icon of utility and smart design. Durable construction. Swiss-made stainless steel construction encased in our popular scales offers a slimmer profile and is extremely resistant. Compact carry. Bring this knife with you on your daily adventures without sacrificing space. It makes a great gift for any occasion or stocking stuffer for Christmas. Fit for all tasks. At their heart, all our pocket knives are a survival tool, multitaskers that deliver in any situation. At their most evolved, they have surpassed basic function to pioneer space travel and restart engines. Premium multi-tool experience. Introducing the Free P series, our most advanced multi-purpose plier experience to date. A brand new platform, magnetic closing and outside accessible tools. 21 tools in one, includes all the essentials, from replaceable wire cutters to spring action scissors to two knives for ambidextrous use. Ideal for EDC, home, work and everything else. Our guarantee: we're proud to stand behind every product that leaves our factory in Portland, Oregon. That's why we offer our 25-year warranty, so you can be confident your Leatherman lasts a lifetime. Sturdy stainless steel construction. Compact, lightweight size fits perfectly in pocket, a daily companion for any task. 10 tools, needle nose spring-loaded pliers, wire cutter, fine edge blade, retail package opener, scissors, medium flat driver, crosshead driver, bottle opener, tweezers, file. Convenient, easily accessible butterfly opening. Overall length, 4.25 inches, closed length, 2.75 inches. We took the standard keychain multi-tool and made it better. In addition to stainless steel pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flathead screwdriver, crosshead driver, tweezers and file, the dime includes a unique blade designed to safely cut and score plastic packaging and a bottle opener that is exposed even when the tool is closed.